In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule email campaign in Omnisend. Start by opening your browser and searching for Omnisend. From the search results, click the official Omnisend website, which is typically the first link. When the page loads, click Log In and sign in to your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, head straight to the campaign section. This is where you manage one-time emails and see past performance. To create a new one, click the plus New Campaign button and select Email. This opens the setup screen where you'll enter the details your audience sees in their inbox. Begin with your subject line. You can use Omnisend's AI subject line generator for quick inspiration or the subject line tester to evaluate performance before you send. Aim for something clear, compelling, and aligned with your message. Next, add a pre-header. This short phrase appears right after the subject in most inboxes and gives helpful context that nudges people to open. Then confirm your sender details. Make sure your sender name is recognizable and your professional business email address is verified in Omnisend, since consistency here builds trust and helps with deliverability. Now click Choose Email Template. You'll land in the template library where you can filter by goals like promotion or product launch to save time. Pick a design that matches your objective and click Use Template to open it in the builder. You're now in the drag-and-drop email builder. Customize the layout by dragging in text blocks, images, buttons, and unique discount code elements. Keep your copy scannable, your visuals on brand, and your call to action clear. If you sell products online, use the product picker to pull products directly from your store into the email with accurate titles, images, and prices, which speeds up content creation and reduces errors. When your content looks good, click Save and choose Recipients. Decide whether to send to all subscribers or to specific segments based on your targeting strategy. Segments help you tailor messaging, but if this is a broad announcement, all subscribers may be appropriate. After selecting your audience, click Review Campaign to confirm everything is correct. Under the Send section, choose Schedule for later. Select the exact date and time for delivery, then set the time zone. You can use your own account time zone or send according to your subscribers' local time to improve open rates. When you're confident in your settings, click Schedule Campaign. You're all set. Your email will go out automatically at the time you chose.